Okay, so this video is going to be just basically trying to think about things you can do when you're sitting to kind of check your balance or your posture and balance and everything else. Maybe those times when you can't or don't want to or don't have the time to get up and move around a whole lot, or you want to just get more in throughout the day, more practice and more feedback for your brain and your body. So things that we've done in the past or maybe that you want to try. So just connecting with your body. So I'm going to do it first sitting, and then I'll go behind myself here in the screen so you can see. I can show you how to do it on the wall as well if you are able to stand up or you want to. So the first one we're going to do is just a simple shift and lift or reach. And what you can do here is you can turn your head and look to the other side or up and to the other side. So I commonly refer to this as the open window. So one arm is in the way, so you're going to turn and look out the area where the other arm is down. That's the open window side. And so you're just going to go back and forth. So on the wall, you just be sliding. You could just lean over a table as well, but I'll just demonstrate it on the wall. So if that's painful or difficult for any reason, maybe a shoulder problem, and you have too much pain or difficulty raising your arm up, you can do it leaning over a table to modify it. Or if you can't do it sitting because of the too difficult against gravity, you can do it over a table. That way your arms are below you and it's easier to move the arm because you don't have to like lift it up. You're just more pushing, sliding it, and it shouldn't be as difficult or painful or easier to control. Okay, so that's number one, the open window. Now you can't see it here, but I'm grounding down to my feet, and as I shift to one side, I'm grounding to the same side, so I'm plugging in, so through my pulling back in my pelvis and my grounding through my heel, and I'm pulling back into my back pocket, which means I'm more on the outer portion of that foot. On this opposite side, I'm maybe more on the inside as I kind of skew over like a skier, kind of skewing over inside knuckle here. I'm still on all six, maybe not necessarily lifting anything up, but I'm just skewing my weight, kind of twisting just a little here. And so it's the same side that's loaded that I'm going up with. Now, if I want to go cross of my body, so if you imagine like a boxer throwing a cross punch, that means that usually they're a little bit more in a stride, which I'll do on the wall. Can't do that very easily when you are sitting. However, you could skew your body. Like, you can't see it too well here, but I can adjust that a little bit. So I'm going to slide my knees across this way and reach across like that, or I can go slightly higher. Now I may need to use this hand if you have space to do it, or an armrest, or even your knee, and I can come across here. So or I can just do this here, okay? I'm gonna breathe in and I'm gonna blow out. So this leg that's closer to the screen here, to the camera, is gonna be turning in a little bit. I'm gonna be on the inside too. I'm pushing off of that leg, almost like I'm gonna stand up out of my seat and I'm reaching. So I'm coming across, that's where my punch is coming through. And if I come this way, it's gonna look like that. So I'm lifting, driving from my chest. So we think about the pockets. I'm pulling back into my back pocket on my far side, and I'm lifting up from my breast pocket or chest pocket here on the near side, the one that's closer to you there. So I'm shifting my weight into my back pocket on the far side, and I'm lifting up through my breast pocket on the closer side, the fore side. So here. And so I'm twisting and I'm lifting, I'm spiraling upward as I go. So, and my weight is coming across here, and breathe. Right? So open window, same side, and then your crosses, or cross punches, whatever you want to imagine there. Right? Open window, cross punch. So in this case, I'm looking in the same direction as my arm is going. In this case, I'm looking in the opposite direction as well. So just to keep those straight. Both are good. Combination of the two, you're going to hit a lot of different elements of both, shifting your weight and connecting to your feet, as well as twisting, turning, and lifting, stretching up top. And you get a pretty good workout just with a few seconds, or within less than a minute of just doing some of that. And then when I do this in standing, I'm actually gonna make a second video for that, I think. So look for that one.